Hi there, students. Huddle. Huddle. To huddle as a verb, a huddle as a noun, countable noun, and huddled as an adjective. So, to huddle, to press together in a close group, densely packed, crammed together, a densely disordered crowd or group of things. Are you tired of being huddled into overcrowded public transport on your way to work in the morning? Huddled. People or animals pressing closely together due to cold or fear, or because they don't want anybody to overhear what's being said. When the dogs came into the field, the sheep all huddled in one corner of the field. They were huddled in conference, discussing their next move. There were lots of people huddled around the fire to keep warm. Let's see, in American football, the players form a huddle to discuss what their next play is going to be. They all group together. Notice we also use huddle in a slightly different way. It has another nuance, meaning to draw your arms and legs closely together, close to your body, like in a fetal position. He was huddled under a blanket. It could be to crouch or to roll into a ball, to curl up into a ball, maybe even to cower. So when you see a group of people going into a huddle, they tend to make themselves small as well, unobtrusive, like they can't be seen. So, to huddle, to gather things together in a group, or to cause them to be gathered in a group. His clothes were huddled in a ball, all pushed together. People huddled under the eaves of the houses to keep out of the rain, making themselves small as well. To huddle, to group together to hold an impromptu conference. To talk privately about something before continuing. They went into a huddle to make their decision. And then to curl yourself up, he huddled into a ball and sat on the sofa watching TV. So, strangers huddling together for warmth. They went into a huddle to discuss their strategy. He sat huddled in an armchair crying. So, to go into a huddle, huddled in a corner, huddled round the fire, to huddle together. So notice as well, to huddle, either you do it yourself or you make it happen. So it's either the cause or the effect. Notice to huddle is a regular verb. They huddled in a corner. They were huddled in a corner. And I think the formality of this word is probably neutral. So you could use it in an informal conversation, semi-formal writing, and even a very formal document. I think on the Statue of Liberty, doesn't it say, "Bring me your huddled masses"? Something like that. And then what about the origin? Well, in Middle English there was a word hadelen, which is linked to a hiding place, cover, or press together. Okay? So, to huddle, to press together, typically a group of people who are frightened, who are cold, against inclement weather, or because they want to discuss something without everybody else overhearing it. or to curl yourself up into a ball. You could either squat down or you could lie down when you're huddled. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Huddle.